Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Crazy D's Equipment. So today we're going to figure out what's going on with this. So guys, we'll give you a little back history on this in case you don't know. We purchased a lot of 5 tractors. This was the only one we've been able to get out of yet. We have 3 D21s and a 6030 John Deere to get. They're trapped in the middle of Wichita, but this one happened to be tucked away off to the back, and we could get out of their yard without tearing things up. Right now I'm waiting. We had a pretty good snowstorm right before we went and looked at those tractors and stuff, and the yard and stuff is still wet before we get the other ones. But I was told this one was running. He used it to move the bits and pieces around when he was rebuilding the big 21 to pull the motor and stuff. And then this one has set. We do believe there's a possibility that this one is stuck. That's what they were thinking. They supposedly had put some batteries on it and couldn't get it to turn over. I would normally go to work and we would put a wrench on here. Doc would get a wrench in here and we would see if we couldn't crank it over without trying to pull or whatever. But the loader blocks you. The loader keeps you from getting into there, so we're going to just have to do it the old-fashioned way. I got the big 1086. We're going to get it out and hook it on the front of here, and I put this in high gear, and we'll let Junior Mint drag the dock, and I'll try to keep up with him, and we'll see if we can't get that fan to move. I have a feeling that it's not going to, but I also am in hopes that it does. So, but anyway, so that just kind of gives you a little back history on it. I'm gonna need to air up a tire on the other side real quick and get the big tractor around. So let's take this here in a minute. That's just a hair, you're on the chain. Right there. Greasy old green goat.
Hey everyone, hope you're enjoying the video. Thanks for tuning in to our episode. So Dave and I were talking about taking a road trip, and we decided we'd love to meet you all. What we're looking for is submissions to an email address that is crazydequipment@gmail.com. In the submissions, we want to know, of course, your name, your contact information, a little bit about your family's history, your family farm history, the type of equipment that you have. Send us some pictures also. We'll go through the responses and pick a place to go. We're really looking forward to taking a little bit of time off and some vacation and getting to meet the people that make up the channel is what we're looking forward to doing. So again, you'll send those emails to crazydequipment@gmail.com. Excuse me, they'll include your name, contact information, a history on your family's farm. We're willing to travel anywhere that we can drive to, so keep that in mind. Sorry, folks across the seas, we'd love to meet you, but that's not in the plans for now. Enjoy our videos, tune in, and we'll have more to come. Thanks again.
Okay. Whoa, Chris!
All the way forward should be what? That one should be
Yeah.
forward, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, give it a whirl. All right, go, Chris. Again, I like the flasher. It's a nice touch. Nothing on the engine side. Nothing. It's not even shaking the fan. All right, take it off. It's dead. Pull it around back. Now go ahead and unhook it. Back up a little, Chris. So Doc, it's stuck. Very stuck, Doc.
Yeah, I figured so.
Get the chain so you can put the tractor up. Put it up. Thank you, Junior Mint, for being useful for once. All right, Doc, it's stuck.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna guess it's stuck from sitting, so I'm guessing we got water down the cylinders and stuff. So what do we do? What do you want to do with it?
Well,
Do we tuck it in the back and it's a next winter rebuild?
it could be.
I'm thinking strongly about pulling the loader off of this and putting it on the 1030 when we get that thing done, and putting it on the lot with the loader on it.
Yeah.
And then
I'm gonna say.
I might call, you know, I don't know.
Yeah. Well, I don't know.
You know what would help me make my decision? If people would subscribe to the channel. Oh. That's cheesy. That's so cheesy.
I hate that.
I know. That stuff.
Really?
That's anyways.
Really?
So really, are you gonna really pull that one on me? Anyways. So.
I have to say, whatever we do, I think the loader is worth whatever you and.
Well, I'll be honest with you, and I don't usually give this away. I gave $1,200 on this one. The other 4 were in much deeper than that, but I gave $1,200 on this one.
I think you could get about half that side of the loader if you get.
Well, I'm not gonna. I think if this loader can come off of this and it can go on that other 1030 once we get done, it won't be hard for you guys to bolt it on, and that'll make that 1030 more valuable because that's kind of a rough dog in itself, anyways.
Yeah.
And then this tractor.
This one's a rebuild.
This is going to be a rebuild, and we're going to have to decide on what we're going to do with it, how we're going to take it on. If this is something we want to do a tear down on, or if I just want to find it a home as it is.
Yeah.
So, but anyways, guys, I think that's what me and Doc has come up with. Now it'll change 15 times before we actually decide what we're going to do, because that's just how it goes, right? But anyways, guys, thank you for coming in. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you later on this week.